I'm in a 2018 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports are. So from here, you've got one charger port here, just under this cover. You got an aux port and a USB port. And then if you lift this middle here, open it up, you'll find another charger port right there. And then, especially if you've got like an aftermarket display installed, a lot of times they'll run an extra cord off to the side or into the glove box that you can plug into, so worth checking in there. And if you're having issues with these working at all, first thing I check is make sure all your fuses are good. Sometimes a burnt fuse could make these systems inoperable. If that doesn't work, say you just have like one port not working right, you might need to get behind the plastic on either side and then make sure everything's connected properly and make sure nothing needs replaced. But all that said, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.